name is Lex. Soap Master number 1, Omar. Soap Master number 2, Lex, like I said. TC, we got DJ. This is the crew. Right now, we're about to start doing our soap, and this is the process how we do it. We have everything in the tank already, and we're about to get started. We're measuring how much we dumping in there, and once we reach our limit, we shut it down and start the process. Like I told you before, we make 1,200. Yeah, but this one's 400. When we're doing this right here, usually I'm preparing the molds. The molds are these right here. You gotta make them. I put the paper in. That's what we dump the soap in. You know what I'm saying? Let it cook. You know what I'm saying? Let it cool off. And then we also have the water, like I said. That water, sometimes I do it early, sometimes I don't. It doesn't really matter when, as long as it's prepared by the time we're done with this. That's how we start every soap. This is the base of it. Whatever soap we're doing, that's how we started. And then, let's say if we're doing spinach, then we have spinach or pine tar or whatever, but that's how we do it. And then, right now, what you see is doing is working it, and then in a little bit, the texture is gonna change, and from that, it's gonna start to volcano in, it's gonna pop off, you know, then that's how you know the soap is working. Right now it's really hot. And imagine being this hot in the Florida heat. But you know, I love my job though, you know. I come here, you know, I enjoy doing this. I feel like a scientist doing this actually. Then somebody else start, or somebody get the DJ. Sometimes we have to do this three times in a day. Wow. You know, the other guys they're preparing the molds. You know what I'm saying? Setting them up. So by the time this is done, we ready to go.
These are all the molds that we put the soaps in for them to dry. And after they get dry, then we cut it. We're gonna mix them up about quick.
Yeah. This is the pine tar bucket and the spinach bucket. Each one has a different bucket because we don't mix them together basically. Everything is different. Like we don't like to mix up stuff, you know what I'm saying? We keep every soap separate. Pine tar, spinach, everything. We don't mix them. Even when we're doing it, we don't mix it until we put them in the mold. That's the last thing that we do. But now the skincare, we're taking over, y'all. Remember that.
I know. Just for when he's taking the shots.
What's up, y'all? This is Janessa from Donata Skinfood, and today we're making spin tar, but instead of production, processing is gonna make the soap, and it's still gonna have the great quality, just a different design.
Every part of the soap has pine tar and spinach. So whatever your design is like, let's say you put a whole layer of spinach, then put a whole layer of pine tar, or if you put pine tar, spinach, whatever happens, when you mix up the soap and make your designs, you want to be sure that when we cut the soaps, Every soap has both soaps in it. Okay? Yes. Okay, so what you do is you just take some pine tar, some
Take you back to your roots?
Yes, it does. It does, because I do have fun remixing the soaps.
What was the first soap you ever made?
Blessed. It was called Blessed. I need to bring it back because I have customers that's been literally waiting a good 5 years for that soap. But it was in 2013. It was December 30th, and I was determined to end the year with making my first hot process soap. And I made it. It was December 31st. I made it, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I feel blessed that I made my first hot process soap, and I called it Blessed. And it's an amazing soap. I just need to bring it back.
Yeah, basically, this is the next day. It's been 24 hours since we made this soap. So we're gonna cut it now because if we let it sit for too long, then it gets too hard. And while we're cutting it with those strings, it breaks them. So that's why we cut them 24 hours or 48 hours the most. This is the bottom of the soap. Let me flip this one too. This top.
So this is what produced the 1,200 soaps.
Well, this one should be about 400 soaps. Yeah, but when we do it 3 times, because we have 21 molds, so those 21 molds will give us 400 soaps or more. At least 400 soaps. We really have fun with this. We have a trash can over here, and we shoot basketball. You know, that's how you do it. Come on, DJ, don't embarrass yourself on camera now. I'll do it for you. I don't play ball. He's a football player. He's a running back. You see them calves?
I see.
I ain't got no calves like that, so I got no fence. But on the court, I get triple doubles like Ice Cube on a good day.